paneer pepper dry recipe. In a hot deep pan, add 2 tablespoons of oil. Add 1 cut onion and 3 spring onion whites. Stir fried. Add 3 sprigs of curry leaves. Add 1 teaspoon ginger paste. Add 3 cut green chillies. Add 2 teaspoons freshly ground pepper. Add 1 teaspoon vinegar. Add 2 teaspoons dark soya sauce. Add 1 ground star anise. Add 1 teaspoon green chilli sauce. Add half a cut green capsicum. Add 1 tablespoon of corn flour mixed with 4 tablespoons of water. Add salt per taste and mix. Next, add 200 grams of cubed paneer. Mix the masala well. Stir fry gently, roughly 2 minutes. Garnish with 3 sprigs of spring onion greens. Stir fry it a minute more. The dish is ready to serve.
Thank you for watching, and as always, like, share and subscribe and hit the bell icon for notifications. Do you know that we have similar videos? Do take a look.